Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something I just realized, and I want you guys input if it's a bug in the Windows that I have, or is it changed now to only 7 days? So in Windows 10, we used to be able, so the version that we have on my PC here that you see is the Pro version. And I remember that sometimes the Pro version had update pause up to 35 days. I remember that the home version did not at some point. Then everybody had it. But now, first of all, I'm going to show you how to pause updates up to 7 days. But it's interesting to see that the 35 days are not available anymore. So if I go into the Start button, into the Settings, and I go into Windows Update and Update and Security, what's going to happen is, so you have the first option here, pause updates for 7 days. So those that want to pause updates, you can click here, and these are paused for 7 days. So if you don't want to install something immediately, you want to make sure that it's all right before you install it, or any other reason. Maybe you've seen a problem and now you don't want the update anymore, or simply for some reason you don't want to update. So you have 7 days. Now, the thing is, in advanced options, you have pause updates. And when you click, my limit is still 7 days. I do not have 35 days like I used to. So I'm kind of considering that, or thinking that in 22H2, the update pause is stuck to 7 days, which is the only option that you have. Now, of course, in the Pro version, I believe you can use some, group policy tools and stuff like that. But here we're going to stay on the basic side of people that don't know how to do that. It seems like now it's 7 days. So I want your feedback, guys. Is it 7 days for you guys also on 20? And if you're on 21H2, do you have 35 days, or you're also stuck on 7 days? It's kind of curious. I'm a little puzzled here, because I thought the 35 days still was possible, but nope. I'm stuck at only 7 days. Whether I go here or not, there's no choice of more than 7 days. So that is interesting. So anyways, you can pause your updates up to 7 days on Windows 10 22H2, but that is the limit for pause of updates. So I want your feedback. If you all stuck on 7 days, even on 21H2, or if this is a 22H2 change where you cannot go 35 days anymore. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.